my royal family. This is Mrs. O. I am trying to get my voice back, and I just can't help it, you guys. I was supposed to have had several videos up, but I lost my voice. And it's still going in and out, but I'm going to do this quick recipe for you guys. It is orange cranberry muffins with a cranberry glaze. So let me show you everything you will need, okay? You will need one 15.25 ounce of orange supreme cake mix. You will need one 3-ounce box of orange jello. You will also need dried cranberries, 3 eggs, 1 orange juice, cranberry juice, oil, a lemon, and powdered sugar. Okay, you guys, I'm going to get this in a bowl. I'll come back and show you how to prepare it, and we're going to put it in muffin tins. I have 6 large muffin tins, or you can use 12 small count of the muffin tins. All right, you guys, I will be back. We'll put this together. All right, royal family, I have everything in the bowl that you're going to need for the orange cranberry muffins. You're going to follow the directions on the box as far as the 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. But until that, I added 1/2 cup of cranberries. I added 1/4 cup of orange juice. So that's in addition to the cake mix. So I'm going to whip this up and I'll come back and show you guys as I get ready to pour it into the muffin tins. Again, that's 1/2 cup of cranberries and 1/4 cup of orange juice. And of course, with the orange gelatin, as I had showed you guys, and the orange cake mix followed according to the directions on the box. All right, I'll be right. Let me show you what I did. You know how sometimes when you make muffins that have fruit in it, you find some muffins that have a lot of fruit, and then some muffins that have very little fruit. So I found if I put the fruit in the bottom of the cupcake holder for the mix, you will ensure that each cupcake has fruit in it, and pretty much the same amount. And what I did with the batter, which makes it easier to pour, I put it in a cup. So that way when I pour it, you see, you guys, I want you to see this. You see how when I pour it, it's so much easier? And for some reason, these cupcake molds seem small to me, but we'll soon find out, huh? Okay, I'll show you guys in just a minute. All right, let's do this one. You see how I'm just pouring it over the batter? I'm pouring it over the fruit. I'm sorry, you guys. And I really thank everyone for the well wishes. You guys are so kind. I had all my days and my videos planned out, so I could help you guys set your Christmas table, but I wasn't able to do it, and I'm really sorry, you guys. But thank you again for the well wishes. All right, and let's do this one. And I think I really need it because I still have some mix left. I probably could have did 2 of these and not filled them so high. But you're going to preheat your oven to 350, and you want to put these in for about 20 to 25 minutes. And remember, as I always state, if you're not for sure if they're done, take a toothpick, stick it in the middle. If it comes out clean, then you're rocking and rolling. All right. I'm about to put these in the oven. I'll come back and show you how to make that luscious cranberry glaze, you guys. All right, stay connected. Here you go. Orange cranberry muffins that's going to have cranberry glaze. You guys, here is the glaze for the orange cranberry muffins. I did a cup of imperial powdered sugar. I did 1 tablespoon of cranberry juice, and I did 1 tablespoon of pure lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And this is the consistency that you want it. You see here? Because the trick is, once the muffins come out of the oven, or you're going to let them stand, I'm going to say maybe 5 minutes, then you're going to take a pastry brush and you're going to brush this glaze on top of the muffins. Oh my Lord. They are so delicious. So I had to share this recipe with you guys. Again, and always remember, if you can, sift your powdered sugar so it'll come out, you know, really smooth, no lumps. So I sifted the powdered sugar. Again, 1 tablespoon of cranberry juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of imperial powdered sugar. All right, the muffins are ready. The muffins are almost done. Then when they come out, you guys, we're going to glaze them, and I'll show you how to present them. All right, stay connected. Okay, you guys, here are the orange cranberry muffins. I think they cooked for about like 20, I'm going to say 18 to 22 minutes. Okay, remember I told you once you get them out of the oven, let them cool for 5 minutes. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take this cranberry glaze and we're just going to brush it on top, you guys. Look. It's hot, and all of that is just going to seep into that. You see that? Wow. These are going to be divine, I promise you. So just brush it on like that while they're hot. And it's just going to seep in. All right, next time I come back, I will show you guys how to plate this for your guests. Check that out one more time. That is the cranberry glaze that you're just putting on top of your muffins. Yum. All right, be back shortly.